Hello viewers and students, here is a program of C Sharp Visual Studio in which I am going to tell you that what are the variables and what are the nature of variables, and we are working in C Sharp Visual Studio 2019. It's working is totally based in the .NET framework, so you must know that what is the .NET framework. The .NET framework is the framework that provides the programming guidelines that can be used to develop a wide range of applications, from web to mobile to Windows based applications. The .NET framework can work with several programming languages such as C Sharp, VB.NET and C++. So here I'm gonna tell you that what I saved a program for you with the name of variable1 file. This is the project I have created, in which we have different kind of modes. We'll have to wait for a short while because our project is loading with the name of variable1. So that is, you are working in the Microsoft.NET framework. Usually it takes the several minutes to open a project. See, it's a preparing solution. Here we have the system files with the name of using. Now we have opened our project using system. So let's understand it, that what is using system. Namespaces in the C Sharp are used to arrange too many classes so that it can be easily handled by the applications. What is this namespace? These are the namespaces in the C Sharp having a program with the name of variable1. This is the class program. What is this class program? A class defines the kinds of the data and the functionality with their objects we have. And what does it mean of the static void? This is the very important line of this program in C Sharp. Static defines that the object is not required to access static members. Void means that the method function does not return any value. Main is a function here, that is the method of the class. The execution of every C Sharp program starts with this function from the main function method. So it is mandatory for a C Sharp program to have a main method. And what is strings? This is an array of the command lines which is passed to the program. What is args? Args. These are the parameters to store all commands line arguments which are given by the users when you run the program. And after this parenthesis, now this is the special line that is I'm using here. the string character name, and I took as a suppose name is the same. So in the quotation marks we have to put this because it's the data type is the string. Integer, I took the character age, and this is a local variable here. Character age I took suppose 25, you may write 35 or whatever. So this is the basic line of this program. I quoted. And what does the function of the console write line here? The console writes the specific string values followed by the current line terminator to be standard output stream. So what does mean of the console? This represents the standard input output and error streams of console application. This cannot be inherited, so we use the write line method. Now I'm going to define you that what is the write line method. Usually we take the write line method in order to display our output on the screen. Console application is a computer program designed to be used via text-only computer interface, such as a text terminated, the command line interface of some operating systems. So here I'm gonna write some lines. For example, there was a man named Sam. So you must consider that what I put here, what I'm gonna write here is the same name, and I use for the name same is character name because it's a in string form of data. The next line I selected that he was, let's suppose he was 25 years old, but consider this 25 I save in the local variable in character age. The third line is the program. I'd like to take the output as the same likes driving, and the last line but didn't like being 25. So in these lines here and here I took the character name as a local variable, and in this line 25 and 25 I took the character age as integer local variable. Data type is integer. Console dot read line we use to watch our program in the console based window. This method is used to read the next line of the character from the standard input stream. If the standard input device is the keyboard, the read line method blocks until the user presses the enter key. So I'm gonna close my program by using these parentheses that use for class, methods and events. Now here we are going to see our output of this program by pressing Ctrl F5. This is the shortcut key, or you may debug from here and start debugging. After that we have the output display of this program because our program has been built now. See, there is the output. There was a man named Sam. He was 25 years old. Sam likes driving but didn't like being 25. So what you understood about this program? We have cleared that how we are declaring a character name and the character age means different variables. In my next program you are going to watch that how I converted with the variable changing, like suppose